Hello everybody, welcome to this YouTube video. Today we are going to be exploring Discord and how to mute a server. So today we're going to be experimenting on my server. So what you need to do is you need to right click on the logo. There's also a alternative method. So you can right click on the logo, hover over mute server. You can then choose for how long, so 15 minutes, 1 hour, 3 hours, 8 hours, and 24 hours, or you can turn it off until you turn the notifications back on. So you can choose any of them, and now all things will be muted for 24 hours for me. Then you can then unmute the server here again. The alternative method is that you click on this up here, this icon here, and then from here you then go and mute the server. Here you can see some more options as well. So you could choose stuff like whether it blocks everything, the notifications, or only mentions, or do any of them. As you can see, the rest here. That'll be it for this video. Just a quick one for the people out there which do not know how to do it. But except from that, that's everything for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.